Welcome to the Legal Services Chatbot preview. This smart and intuitive chatbot is designed to simplify how individuals access legal support, making their legal journey easier, more guided, and completely stress-free. The experience begins with a brief welcome message followed by a clean and structured main menu that displays 5 key service categories: family law, property and real estate, business and corporate matters, criminal matters, and legal documents. These are standard industry options, but the chatbot is fully customizable to match any law firm's specific services and requirements. When the user selects family law, the chatbot asks a follow-up question to understand the exact type of help they need within that category. Based on the user's choice, the bot presents relevant sub-options and collects the required information, such as case details or personal details, ensuring accuracy and clarity. Once the user provides the necessary inputs, the chatbot instantly generates an acknowledgment message and confirms that the request has been received. It then proceeds to schedule or confirm a meeting, ensuring a smooth and guided experience from start to finish. This intelligent system provides a structured, user-friendly, and efficient way for individuals to seek legal assistance, right from initial inquiry to booking a consultation. Now that we've explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, you can easily integrate Google Sheets to maintain client data and keep your flow and data organized. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Legal Services Chatbot, template installation process, and Flow Builder overview.